We'll guide you through how to fix Android Auto not working. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be an annoying problem because it then means you can't go and have your phone properly connected to your car. Perhaps you want to go and have the maps on the car screen, music, etc. What we're going to do first of all is go and swipe up and find the option for settings. Now in settings, what you want to do is go and find the option for connected devices. Come down and you want to find the option for Android Auto and go and tap there. Now you want to click on connect to vehicle. So there's going to be some different options. So if you're currently trying to use the cable, instead you could try using wireless Android Auto, and you can also try connect using Bluetooth. So try a different connection method first of all. In some cases with the car, you may need to go and use the cable, and if that's the case, try using a different cable, ideally the official one that it came with. Some cables may not work properly, and they may just be more so for charging than data as well. So go and see if that solves it. Also on startup, we can tap here, you can go and select always, and you can also go and have it start while locked as well. Go and see if that solves it. If it still doesn't, the next thing you want to try doing is scrolling down and find the option for apps. You shouldn't need to scroll down far and find Android Auto. What you can do is press force stop in the bottom right and press OK. Scroll down and you want to go and find storage. Try clearing the cache. Go and then try again, see if it works. If it still doesn't, you can come back here and clear the data. This will go and lose data here, but that'll be fine. Now try connecting Android Auto again. If it still doesn't work, tap and hold the side button like so, and try doing a restart on the device. When it comes back on, hopefully it'll then work.